From the shining towers of Bay Street to the small-time economics of a farmer's market, Canadians are thinking about the bottom line today.
I have a mortgage and a loan out, so that'll help me out.
Yes.
Others worry what yet another interest cut means.
And I do believe we are in a recession.
A word Bank of Canada Governor Stephen Poloz steered clear of today, despite admitting the economy isn't doing as well as predicted.
The difference perhaps in January was that we really didn't know the size of the oil price shock.
It's not just oil to blame. A slowing Chinese economy has affected exports, and the benefits from a falling Canadian dollar have not paid off, with exports to the U.S. underperforming. Poloz hopes an interest rate drop is the answer.
The best contribution that we can make to getting things back to a more normal setting is to address the shock that the economy is going through.
Critics say the Bank of Canada's move today shows just how concerned it is.
Yes, they do think growth will resume in the second half of this year, but they don't think we'll be back to the level of activity that they would like to see until early 2017. So that's an underperformance for a very long period of time.
Canadians won't necessarily see the full extent of the rate drop. Today, TD dropped its 10 basis points. RBC dropped 15.
I think the logic for banks essentially is they're getting squeezed here. Their margins get smaller when those rates go quite low.
Then there are concerns the lower rate could encourage Canadians to take on more debt, even add fuel to Canada's hot housing markets.
It definitely sends a message to lenders and mortgage rates will get cheaper. That will encourage some people to enter the market.
Others disagree, saying rates have been at ultra-low levels for a while, and people who need or want to borrow money already have.
In reaction to the cut, the Canadian dollar plunged, losing more than a cent to a 6-year low. All in all, not the best of days for a Canadian economy struggling to find its way back to better times. Wendy?
Thanks, Renee. Renee Filipponi.